Let's test a big gasoline car with 5.7 liters and a V8 engine, and we just use this model AP6. The battery capacity is 20,000 milliamps, and with the air compressor inside. You see. Okay, we check the battery power, and with this clamp here. Okay, you can see here is the red light is flashing. It means detecting everything is okay. And if you just press here, long press 3 seconds, then will be green solid. It means it's ready to start the car. Okay, let's connect the red cable to positive, black one with the negative. You can see it's still detecting. Then we can press the jump button for 3 seconds. Okay, now it's ready and green solid. Let's start. Okay, we just use the AP6, the 2-in-1 jump starter and the air compressor model to inflate the tire. Now you can see, select the air tube and the wave, different wave for the bicycles and the motorcycle, and both different. And now we check the power discharge first, 60%, and also we find the tire socket with the cable. Okay. Now press here, and with the pump, and select the PSI. Yeah, 36 PSI. And with this long press for 3 seconds.